Hey, credit heroes! Would you like to grow your credit repair business without spending any money on advertising? Well, today I'm going to share my proven strategies for generating free credit repair leads, so you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I've helped thousands of businesses build from the ground up. And during that time, I experienced the very same challenges that many of you face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. Like many of you, I knew nothing about marketing when I first started, so I made every single mistake that you could ever imagine. I listened to phony business gurus who told me things like, for every dollar you spend on ads, you're going to make $2 back. None of that was true, and I wasted thousands of dollars following their terrible advice, all because I didn't know any better. But then something amazing happened. Because I made so many mistakes, I was forced to develop no-cost and low-cost ways to get my services in front of prospects. And guess what happened? Not only did those marketing techniques work, but they worked so well that I'm still using them to grow Credit Repair Cloud. Those early mistakes taught me that marketing is not about spending money, it's about investing the right amount of time, effort, and creativity. That's why today I'm going to share my proven strategies that you can use to generate credit repair leads for free. Here's how this relates to us. Generating leads is important for any business, but it's especially important for credit repair businesses. The demand for credit repair has never been higher, and the dispute process can take 6 months or more. So each new client that you add is a potential long-term customer. So the more leads you convert, the faster you scale your business. That means the key to credit repair success is getting your services in front of motivated prospects and positioning yourself as the expert that they can trust for the long haul and converting them into clients. But most new businesses don't have thousands of dollars set aside for paid ads to get any attention. That's why no-cost and low-cost advertising is a must. For those of you who are just starting your credit repair business, don't waste any of your money on paid advertising, okay? None. You don't need everyone in the world to know who you are and what you do. No, you just need the people around you to know so that they can spread the word and help you to grow at the right pace. Going crazy with paid advertising before you have consistent 5-figure monthly revenue can drain your time, your energy, and your money, and it can actually hurt your growth. The truth is that no-cost and low-cost advertising allows you to start small, master your craft, establish credibility, build a reputation, and better control your growth. And that's how you set the stage for long-term success. Here's why this is important. Before you choose a strategy, take a moment, step back, and look at all your options. For new business owners, it's best to learn which methods have worked for other credit repair businesses and then model their success. That way you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just choose a proven strategy that fits your business, and then you get creative, adapt it to your brand, and then hit the ground running. So I put together a list of the most effective free credit repair marketing ideas that I've used and that other companies have used to scale and succeed. This list is designed to give you a baseline and to help you to brainstorm more ideas for generating quality leads without paid ads. So let's get started. Write a blog. When I had absolutely no money to spend, I locked myself in a room and I wrote a blog every night until the sun came up. The blog had one goal: to provide value. So everything I knew and everything I learned, I gave it away for free. I'm talking about credit repair tips, dispute strategies, and inspiring success stories. Those became my content marketing strategy. And I posted the blog on my website and on LinkedIn and everywhere else I could. Now, I didn't realize it at the time, But that blog would become the best strategy that I ever used. It still plays a role in Credit Repair Cloud's success. Blogs I wrote 5 or even 10 years ago, they still appear in search results, and we get more traffic from my articles than from any of our paid ads. Writing a credit repair blog can also work for you. By providing educational content in a unique or entertaining way, you can build credibility, establish a brand voice, improve your website's SEO, and grow your business. It also opens the door for you to become a guest blogger. Write guest blog posts. Guest blogging allows you to go onto other related websites, use their platforms, and communicate with your target audience. SEO sites like Moz have reported that guest blogging is one of the most effective content marketing tactics for generating backlinks and referral traffic. If guest blogging sounds complicated, it's not. You can become a guest blogger by visiting sites like Guest Post Tracker and identifying local magazines and newspapers and financial sites who are looking for guest writers. You then pitch your credit repair article ideas you might already plan to write for your own blog, but you write them for the larger organization. Just remember, your guest blog bio section should always include a description of your credit repair services and a link back to your website. Create a podcast or a YouTube channel. Podcasts and YouTube channels are also great for SEO and establishing credibility, and they're even better at creating brand awareness. Most people like to listen or watch content rather than read. And if you're not currently using video sharing platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook Live, you are missing out on huge free marketing opportunities. YouTube is a great and free platform for all podcasts, and starting a YouTube channel costs nothing. Most audio and video platforms are free, so distributing and publishing isn't a problem. All you need is a free recording and editing app like Riverside, and then you're ready to start podcasting. You can upgrade to better equipment as your show progresses, or hire an editor like I did. I'm obviously a big believer in podcasts. The Credit Repair Business Secrets podcast is about to hit its 200th episode. Podcasting has not only helped me to build a deeper connection to the credit repair community, boost the organic traffic to Credit Repair Cloud, and expand my ability to change lives, but the monetized episodes even provide a little added revenue each month that goes back into my business. So considering there's no cost of entry, the ROI for podcasts and YouTube channels, it can be unbelievable. If you are camera shy, don't worry. I am too. You never really get over it. You just accept it as another aspect of running your business. If you don't know what your podcast should be about, you can cover the same topics that you would cover in your blog, or expand into doing things like interviews with credit repair and financial experts. Whatever your show becomes, shoot it, record it, and submit it to major podcast directories like iTunes and Spotify, and then promote each episode on social media, your website, and credit repair forums. As your following increases and your profile grows, you may want to contact other financial podcasts about being a guest on their shows. Now, if you haven't noticed, a common thread with many of these strategies is using content marketing to attract prospects. If you want to learn one of the simplest ways to generate free leads without content creation, you can always run a giveaway, a free credit repair service giveaway. Giveaways are a great way to attract potential clients and spread the word about your services, because the attention you get far outweighs the time you spend servicing a few free clients. The most successful credit repair giveaways that I've seen include consultations. Offering a free 30-minute consultation on your website generates interest in your service, and the consultations themselves allow you to screen out clients who aren't serious about credit repair. Scholarships. You can announce a credit repair scholarship on your website where a deserving recipient will be selected for free credit repair services for 6 months. Applicants fill out a form you provide with a description of their financial hardship and their credit report. And all you ask in return is permission to use their story on your website as a testimonial. Workshops. You can contact local credit unions or accountants and offer educational credit repair workshops at their location to any customers that they think would benefit from your expertise. Even if the credit unions and accountants decline, these conversations can lead to new affiliate relationships. I covered building affiliate partnerships and professional networks on a few recent episodes, so check out my channel if you want to learn how they can help you to generate high-quality leads for free. And if you want to learn more ways to market and grow your credit repair business and get 6 months of Credit Repair Cloud software for free, go to creditrepaircloud.com/free training and sign up for our masterclass. Here's my final point. Marketing is not about spending money, especially when starting your business. Pay attention to what successful companies are doing, choose a similar strategy that makes sense for you, be consistent, and provide value. With a little time, effort, and creativity, you can generate tons of leads without spending a dime on advertising. And I'll end by saying, to learn more ways to boost sales and reduce costs, check out my episode, Top 5 Affiliate Partners for Credit Repair Businesses. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.